Hi everyone! In this video you'll discover what public pages are and how to use them in our software. Public pages let you send estimates to clients for quick online approval, collect electronic signatures directly on the page, share diagnostic results and photos, and offer fast and convenient online payment options. First, we recommend setting up the appearance of your public page. To do this, go to Settings, Public Pages, and select the fields and sections you want your clients to see. Most of these fields will automatically pull information from the company details you entered in the general settings. The Conclusion or Client Recommendations field is a system field found in the Orders or Estimates on the Services and Products tab. You can also choose to display a language switcher, which allows your clients to view the page in their preferred language. System fields will be automatically translated based on the client's choice. By default, the page will appear in the language set in the client's browser. Don't forget to save the changes. Now, let's move on to the first use case, online approval of estimates by clients. Go to Settings, Public Pages, and in the Estimates section, check the box for Allow clients to accept or decline the document. Then, specify which statuses should display the buttons for accepting or declining the estimate. Note that clients will only be able to take these actions in the selected statuses. If needed, check this option to prevent acceptance without a signature. Finally, set which status accepted estimates should move to and which status should be assigned to declined estimates. Don't forget to save your changes. Now that the estimate is in the specified status, you can send it to the client. To send it manually, click the Actions button, copy the public page link, and share it with the client via chat, SMS, Messenger, or email. For automatic sending, we recommend using separate estimate statuses and setting up notifications for employees and clients to streamline the process. Go to the External Notifications page, Workflows tab, and in the Clients section, configure a rule to automatically send the public page link when the estimate status changes to your desired status. In my case, it's Approval. You can use your own templates, but be sure the notification includes the variable estimate client URL. Additionally, you can set up notifications on the Internal Notifications page to notify your colleagues when the status changes to accepted or declined, to quickly move the order forward or offer an alternative estimate. As a result, when you change the status to Approval, the client will automatically receive a notification with the link to the public page, where they can review the document details and accept or decline the proposal. If online signing is enabled, the client won't be able to accept the estimate without leaving their signature. After successful acceptance, the estimate status will automatically update in the system and the signature will be shown in the event feed. If the client has declined your estimate but you want to offer a new proposal, update the document by adding new services, products, or a discount. Then, change the estimate status back to Send, and the notification will be sent automatically with a new link. This allows the client to see the updated estimate and either accept or decline it again. If the client decides to reject your services, we recommend changing the document status to Lost. The next use case is online approval after the diagnostic stage. This option is ideal for companies where it's not possible to estimate the order cost without an inspection first, such as vehicle repairs, device servicing, equipment, and similar industries. Then, you won't use estimates but orders. You will create a new order, change the status to diagnostic, and after diagnostic stage, you'll send the proposal to the client. To set it up, go to Settings, Public Pages, and in the Work Orders section, check the box Allow clients to accept or decline the document. Then specify which statuses will display the Accept and Decline buttons. If needed, enable this option to ensure clients cannot accept the document without signing it. Finally, set which status accepted orders should move to and which statuses should be assigned to declined orders. Don't forget to save your changes. When the order is in the specified status, you can send the client a link to the public page. To send it manually, click the Actions button, copy the link to the page, and share it with the client via chat, SMS, Messenger, or email. For automatic sending, we recommend creating separate order status and then setting up notifications. For example, you can configure a notification for clients that automatically sends the public page link when the order status changes to approval. The notification template should include the variable Estimate Client URL. For employees, you can set up notifications about the order status changing to accepted or decline, to quickly move the order forward or offer an alternative proposal. As a result, the client will see a page where they can review the document details and accept or decline the proposal. If online signing is enabled, the client will not be able to accept the order without leaving their signature. After successful acceptance, the order status will automatically update in the system and the signature will be displayed in the activity feed. If the client has declined your order, but you want to offer them a new proposal, you need to update the order by adding a discount or selecting different services or products. Then change the order status back to approval and send the link to the public page again. The client will see the updated order and can choose to accept or decline it. If the client rejects your services, we recommend marking the document with lost status. Please note that to accept online payments from clients, you must have an integration set up with a payment service available on Settings Integrations page. For detailed instructions on how to connect each of those integrations, please visit our knowledge base or YouTube channel. If you already have a chosen payment service integrated, go to Settings, Public Pages, in the Orders section, and check the box Enable Online Payments. Then, select which statuses should display the payment button and which status the order should move to once payment is successful. Below that, choose the default merchant account. If you have multiple legal entities, you can set up different merchants for each location. Now, when the order is in the specified status, you can send the customer a link to the public page where they can pay for the order. For manual sending, click the Actions button, copy the link to the public page, and then send it via SMS, email, or chat. For automatic sending, we recommend using a separate order status. Set up notifications to optimize processes. For example, for clients, you can configure a notification so that when the order is moved to the payment status, the link to the public page is sent automatically. To do this, the notification template must include the variable Estimate Client URL. As a result, when you change the status, the customer will receive a notification and see a page where they can view the order details and pay for it. If there were prepayments, this will be shown to the customer as payment history. If the customer previously approved this order online, their signature will also be displayed. This case will be useful for companies that require customers to make a payment immediately after accepting an estimate. Go to Settings, Public Pages in the Estimates section. For the accepted estimate, select the status that automatically converts the estimate into an order. For example, Order Created. Save the changes. Next, go to the Orders section and make sure that the payment buttons are displayed for the new status. Save the changes. Now, let's see how this works for the customer. Send the customer the link to approve the estimate. Once the customer accepts it, the payment button will automatically appear for the order. In each order or estimate, you'll find the Files tab that displays all attached files and images. You can upload files, take photos or apps documents here, or directly in the event feed. They will automatically appear in this tab. To share files with a client, mark them as public. Once marked, they will appear on the customer's public order or estimate page. This way, you can easily share photos showing additional issues, images of damages or scratches, and document confirmations of completed work. If needed, you can also attach a PDF or Excel files to provide some extra information. Clients can view and even download these documents directly from the public page. Public pages are available in the mobile app as well. This means you can provide customers with documents for approval and signature on-site or in the field directly from your smartphone or tablet. To do this, open the Order or Estimate, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Public Page. You can then open it immediately in the browser and present it to the customer for accepting and signing. More information about working with orders and estimates in the mobile app can be found in a separate video on our YouTube channel.